Today we are sitting in a 2023 Mustang Mach-E, and Melissa is going to be demonstrating how to use Ford's Bluecruise hands-free driving.
To use Bluecruise, you first must download the Ford Pass app. Next, you'll register your vehicle's VIN into your Ford Pass account. Then, you'll sync your Ford Pass on your phone to your vehicle. After you've done that, you will go under your vehicle settings, go to Driver's Assistance section, turn on your adaptive cruise control along with your lane centering features. These steps are necessary for Bluecruise to work. Okay, now that we're all connected, we're ready to hit the road and demonstrate to you how to use Bluecruise. Once you're on a blue zone highway, press the steering wheel control button to activate Bluecruise. Next, use the toggle to set your vehicle's speed. Finally, press the gap distance button to adjust the space between you and the vehicle ahead. Bluecruise is a hands-free highway driving feature. It uses features including intelligent adaptive cruise control, stop and go, lane centering, and speed sign recognition technology. Bluecruise allows you to take tight corners, stay centered in narrow lanes, and make lane changes. Bluecruise will control the steering, throttle, and braking of the vehicle with the driver's supervision on blue zone roads. This makes up over 130,000 miles of pre-qualified North American roads, while you are monitored by driver-facing infrared cameras to make sure you are keeping your eyes on the road. Bluecruise is a fantastic feature. It's so fun learning about Ford's new technology every time they put something out there. This feature is great for daily driving all the way up to doing road trips.
So now that we're parked, we did get to test out Bluecruise on the Blue Zone highways.
I would say one of the main benefits and one of the best things about it is everyone experiences driving fatigue. This is going to be a huge helping hand with that. Always be aware and be ready to grab that wheel again.
It is really important to stay aware of your surroundings even when Bluecruise is engaged, whether that is for inclement weather and the sensors can't read the road markings. Be prepared and be safe at all times, so make sure you always have the ability to grab back onto that steering wheel and resume normal driving.
That wraps up our demo video on the Ford Bluecruise. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.